In this video, I'm going to show you one of the coolest hearing aid features that I've seen in a long time. Coming up. Hi guys, Cliff Olson, Doctor of Audiology and founder of Applied Hearing Solutions in Phoenix, Arizona. And on this channel, I cover a bunch of hearing-related information to help make you a better informed consumer. So if you're into that, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to click the bell to receive a notification every time I post a new video. There is no debating the fact that hearing aids provide a massive amount of benefit for individuals with hearing loss who use them. The reason why hearing aids work so well is that hearing aid manufacturers continue to push the envelope to make their hearing aids work better and better through painstaking research and development. When you think back to some of the earlier forms of hearing aid technology, they were basically glorified hearing amplifiers that could only increase or decrease volume, and oftentimes in one ear only. Now, hearing aids can be fully customized to amplify sound in the very specific frequency ranges of your hearing loss, and they also bring a whole host of additional features to the table as well. These include wide dynamic range compression, directional microphones, feedback suppression, automatic program switching, rechargeability, and now even universal Bluetooth connectivity, to just name a few. But the coolest feature in a hearing aid that I have seen in a long time is tap control, which you can now find inside of the Audio Paradise rechargeable hearing aids by Phonak, today's video sponsor. Before tap control, the only way to control your hearing aids was to find either the push button on the back of the hearing aid or use the app on your smartphone. While it is easy to use a push button on the back of a hearing aid, it can be made more difficult if you're trying to do it quickly, or if you happen to wear a pair of eyeglasses or a mask that wraps around behind your ear. Okay, well, instead of using the push buttons on the back of your hearing aids, why not just use your smartphone to control your devices instead? Well, the problem with this is speed. If you're listening to music and someone comes up to you and starts talking to you, you have to first find your phone, then you have to unlock your phone, go into the music streaming app and hit pause. All of this can take a lot of time. However, since the rechargeable Audio Paradise hearing aids now have a motion sensor inside of them, you can now use a double tap to activate a variety of controls. One of those controls is pausing and starting streaming. Once again, I want you to imagine that you're listening to some music. I don't know, let's say that you're rocking out to, say, Britney Spears. And then your significant other comes into the room that you're in and starts having a conversation with you. Well, the first thing that you do is you scramble to find your phone, then you want to unlock it and it doesn't sense your face, and then you have to go in and enter your code. You get into the actual app and you hit pause, and finally you can start talking to your significant other. The problem is, by this point, they're already annoyed with you. Now imagine that you're in the exact same situation when your significant other comes into the room and starts talking to you while you're rocking out to Britney Spears. Instead of having to search for your phone, unlocking it, pausing the stream, all you have to do is double tap your ear. What about answering phone calls? Well, the same thing applies. When that phone call is coming in, you don't have to search for a push button to answer it or take out your phone and swipe it to answer. All you have to do to answer that phone call is give another double tap. Oh, hey there, right on time. My mom's calling. Give me a second. Hey, Mom. Yes, perfect timing. Yeah, I know. I wanted to be able to actually answer a phone call in the middle of recording, so your timing is absolutely impeccable. That being said, I am in the middle of recording right now, so I can't exactly talk to you. But I promise I will call back later today. Yes. Yeah. Okay, I love you too. All right, bye-bye. For you advanced users out there, how about activating your voice assistant with tap control? Just double tap your ear and you can ask Google Assistant, Siri, or Bixby any question that you want, and they'll actually respond to you directly inside of your hearing aids. All right, let's go ahead and test out tap control with my Samsung phone and my Bixby voice assistant. What's the weather outside? In Phoenix, it is partly sunny and 82 degrees. That's pretty awesome. The amount of convenience that you gain from tap control will completely change the way that you interact with your hearing aids, and that's why I think tap control is so cool. So the next time that you're thinking about which hearing aid features you want inside of your next set of hearing aids, make sure that you choose features that actually help you hear better, and if you want to add a little bit more convenience to your hearing aid experience, make sure that tap control is one of those features as well. That's it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. If you liked the video, please share it. And if you want to see other videos just like this one, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also, feel free to check out my website, drcliffaud.com.